After plugging in, make sure to turn on the main power button before operating the heater. The display will flash once, and the power button will remain lit. Press the power button to turn on and off the heater. Press the timer button to set the timer from 1 to 8 hours. Set the timer to 0 hour to cancel. Press the Color A button to change the flame color. There are 4 settings: 1 red, 2 yellow, 3 orange, 4 blue. Press and hold the Color A button for 6 seconds. The display will show digital 0, and the flame color and brightness will be changed automatically. Press the Color B button to change the flame bed color. There are 4 settings: 1 red, 2 yellow, 3 red, 4 orange. Press and hold the Color B button for 6 seconds. The display will show digital 0, and the flame color and brightness will be changed automatically. Press the dimmer button to adjust the flame brightness. There are 5 levels. The flame becomes brighter from L1 to L5, with L5 being the brightest. Long press the dimmer button for 6 seconds to enter sleep mode. All indicator lights as well as the flame will turn off, while the heating function remains on. Long press the button for another 6 seconds to exit sleep mode. Press the flame speed button to adjust the flame speed. There are 5 settings. The flame speed increases from U1 to U5, with U5 being the fastest. Press the heater button to select from 3 modes. The display will flash accordingly. Turn off the main power button after use. The remote control operates the same as the control panel.